Hi everyone, this is my first video makeup tutorial. Hope you enjoy my tutorial and learn some tips. Please like and subscribe to my channel. After I applied my daily routine skincare, I started my makeup with Rose Hydra Mist from Cosmetic a la carte. Then I use my magic fan to let it dry faster to go to the next step. Next, I'm applying Photo Finish Primerizer. It is primer and moisturizer in one from Smashbox. And again, I use my magic fan as it is good to let your skin observe the primer. After that, I comb my eyebrow with eyebrow brush from Crayolan. Then to hide the darkness on the area around my eyelids, I use darker shade concealer. I always use darker shade followed by lighter shade as it gives the best coverage. The concealer I used from Cosmetic a la carte. After applying both concealers, I tap it with compact powder, little bit of amount only, to let it set. I used Airbrush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury. Then I'm applying Firm and Glow Foundation mixed with Complexion Enhance Nude Kiss to lift and brighten from Cosmetics a la carte. In full face with Beauty Blender from NB Cosmetics. I always like my skin to be flawless and I love light to medium coverage. I don't like full coverage. After that, I cover my dark circles and wherever I have pigmentation with two shades of concealer, darker and lighter, from Cosmetics a la carte. I will do the same steps I done on my lid and have to blend well. You can use your fingers or brush or beauty blender. I let the concealer set and do my eyebrows using Benefit's 24-hour Brow Setter Clear Brow Gel. Then to fill the gap, I use Eyebrow Tint from KR Cosmetics. Then with the brush, I use light brown 24-hour Super Brow from Kat Von D. Before applying concealer under eyes, I gently dab the area with my fingers to ensure there are no creases under eyes, and then I set the concealer under my eyes and the area I covered with concealer with loose powder transparent from Crayolan. These areas from face have to set well, otherwise after a few hours turn gray. Then I use contour from Tom Ford 02 Intensity, but I use it as bronzer, perfect shade for me, and blend it well with Beauty Blender from NB Cosmetics. Then I use the cream highlighter from Tom Ford 02 Intensity. The contour and highlight comes together. This highlight gives you dewy skin. I love it, and you look natural. The best part is now, when I have one product, which I can use it on eyes, cheek and lips. It's long-lasting, easy to blend, waterproof and creaseless from Danessa Myrix. I have tried many products. I end up with creases on my lid and I really hate it, but with colorfix 24 hours you won't see all of that. Before applying colorfix, dab with my fingers to remove any creases. Then I took small amount of colorfix, put on my hand to warm it. With flat concealer brush, apply colorfix and blend it with blending brush. You can see how it's blending easily and smoothly. Then I apply on my cheek with my fingers and blend it fast before it's dry. Apply on my lips with my fingers. can see now the magic. I can keep my makeup without adding anything, just mascara and setting spray. I'm applying bronzer powder from Cosmetics a la carte. little bit of highlighter in the corner of my eyes from Laura Mercier. I'm using Benefits Powder Blusher, then Powder Highlighter on top of Tom Ford Highlighter. At the end, I use setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury and I'm ready. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.